Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to walk you through how to view your block list on Roblox with the latest updates. If you've been managing your Roblox interactions and want to check who you've blocked, we've got you covered with this easy-to-follow guide. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're in the app, look for the three dots icon at the bottom right corner of your screen and tap on it. This icon is labeled More and will open a menu with additional options. Next, tap on Settings from the menu that appears. This will take you to the Settings page where you can adjust various preferences for your Roblox account. In the Settings page, select the Privacy tab. This tab allows you to manage your privacy settings and review who you've interacted with on Roblox. Finally, scroll down, and you'll find the section where you can view your blocked users. The blocked users list is located at the bottom of the Privacy tab, so you can easily check who's on your block list. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your block list on Roblox. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks.